So
I don't even know what I did to deserve that. You know what I'm imagining right now? Are you listening?
No, because I'm not doing it, so I'm really not paying attention. So, what are you, dude? No, not the pooper scooper.
I win. Oh, look at this little guy. So you're done scratching my bike? Oopsie daisy. It's a long one in there. Don't
tutorial.
do what we do.
Disclaimer, we're just having fun. We are not professionals. If you aren't here to enjoy, this channel may not be for you.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
What are you doing? You're always being a menace.
I know I'm a menace, and it works out perfectly because I've acquired a pair of Menace Apes. Do you want to see them?
Yeah, who are they by?
They're by Carlini. I was gonna get to that. Don't you worry.
Oh man.
What do you guys think?
Show
I
'em
know a lot of you said the meat hooks were totally out of style, but they're spicy like me, so.
Show them the bend on the side of it, because that's the.
Oh, that's my favorite
That's the trademark
part.
of the Carlinis.
Yes.
When I think Cholo, I think Carlini handlebars.
Yes. Carlini was the only one that I could find that actually had the bend this way. This is exactly what I was looking for. This is perfect. This is gonna be quite the job, guys.
I don't think it'll be too bad because the wiring's already extended.
Okay.
The clutch cable is already the right length. Brake line, the throttle cables.
Yeah. Not taking any chances today, huh?
No.
So you're done scratching my bike?
I'm done scratching your bike.
You're done scratching it, right?
There's way too many variables here of dropping things today.
Don't forget that chain condom.
Oh yeah.
Look at what they came out with. They came out with this really cool, like, windbreaker type jacket slash shirt, I guess.
Pretty sweet.
It is perfect.
It's very,
for,
very light. Like, I wouldn't say it's gonna keep you too warm, but for like a
but it's
50-degree day like this,
exactly.
it's perfect.
Can you guys even believe that in New York in December it's 55 degrees
Yeah, we should
today?
be riding, but
We should be. Blame it on the kid, man.
always. Honestly, we have no clue how to take the whole front end of this apart. We're just gonna wing it and ding it in here.
Yeah, this whole front end is very new to us.
Yeah.
The whole nacelle. It's a long one in there. I'm already dropping stuff. What's their solo cup rating? Because I don't have anything.
You know, handlebars can be a nightmare, so I don't know what the solo cup rating could be. It could be a 4, but honestly, we have no drink. She can drink a beer if she wants to, but she won't. Once again, it is 12:30 in the afternoon, so this won't fall. This is on a stud, so that's good.
Oh God, yes it will. It's opposite of what happened, so pay attention to that. Are you listening?
No, because I'm not doing it, so I'm really not paying attention. So I hope you know
that's
how
why I'm telling you now.
Well, I hope you know how to put it back together. You're taking
I'm just telling you also.
I hope you
I'm
know how to
not the
put.
only one that knows.
There's what it looks like with no turn signals on it.
I think it would look sick without the turn signals.
See, I don't. I think that it looks like it's missing something in the front because it's a bagger and it has like the 2 bags.
Yeah,
it looks like it's too skinny in the front to me. That's just me.
Yeah,
More lights too.
it's true.
C and B C.
Guys, just a quick break from the video. Discover the brilliance of Eagle lights. Elevate your ride with their advanced LED lighting solutions. Brighter, safer, and more stylish than ever. And here's the bonus. Use our code VP_customs for an exclusive 15% off your purchase. Illuminate your journey with Eagle lights today.
Top bottom. This is
Just put them back where they go. That's your best way to do it. No.
They're not gonna
In the
stick.
bike. Actually, no, there's gonna have to come.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so smart you are, aren't you?
I need the solo cups to work efficiently.
Let's see what we got in here.
It's dark in here. Nothing. Guys, this is not a tutorial. Do not. No.
No.
You would be sorely mistaken if you thought this was going to be a tutorial.
Don't do what we do.
We're just going to get through.
Do the opposite of
There's
what we
plenty
do.
of other good websites, YouTube channels for tutorials.
Yeah,
we're here just to show you what we're doing and maybe a little entertainment in the meantime.
Yeah. Getting hot. Woo.
Uh-oh. Yeah, plane? Of course there's a plane. We're outside trying to record, that's why there's a plane. Okay, you finally got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one right there. That little tiny guy.
Tiny guy. The tiny guy has feelings too.
Yeah, he does. He does.
Oh, look at this little guy.
He does the job. He's effective. So now I think this is like some kind of counterclockwise turn and twist.
I didn't need you to tell me that stupid twist. Swirl. Whatever, I don't even do it.
Oh, yeah, I know. You do the pinch.
Yeah, that's right.
Action thing going on here. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. We have great news, Tanya.
Boom, baby.
Yes.
JC. Boom, baby.
So what's the good news?
The boom,
we gotta tell
baby
them?
means that all the wiring is in here, so we don't.
Perfect. We don't have to take off the gas tank. Yeah. It's great news. That is our Eagle Light 7-inch nice headlight. We had our passing lights hanging on down here. What a difference that made over the stock light. I just threw the stock light in the garbage. So next step, I think we're gonna have to take out this guy and loosen up the back one. Then we're gonna start to be able to spread it out. We don't want to take the back one off completely, what I've seen, because they're really hard to get back on. That's like slotted, so that's off. I hope you remember where everything goes.
Nope.
I think it has a nut in there as well. You're gonna have to hold.
Uh-oh.
There we go. That's off. Now we got 2 more screws in here. Righty tighty, lefty
I'm
loosey.
upside down. I guess that doesn't really matter, does it? No.
Oh, look at things are happening here. We are making progress. What are you, dude? No, not the pooper scooper. Tanya's shedding. You look like an Eskimo boots.
I'm shedding? What the hell does that mean?
You took off your jacket.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Look at this. I think everything's just gonna come apart now.
Yeah.
Here, give me that. See why we didn't take it off all the way? Look at that. So if we did, that would be really hard to get back in. An opportunity for you to shine all this chrome too.
Me?
Yeah.
You mean you?
I'm not doing it.
No more shines, Billy.
What?
I said no more shines. Maybe you didn't hear about it. You've been away a long time. They didn't go up there and tell you. I don't shine shoes anymore.
Well, because...
Gotcha.
There you go. Look at that bird's nest. Holy crap.
Yeah, this is a great idea. It's a great time to clean up all this disaster that somebody left behind, probably. This whole situation here looks like your hair when you wake up in the morning. Straight bird's nest. So
I don't even know what I did to deserve that. Oh my god, like... the man. Uh-oh. What was that?
Part of the clip. It's okay.
Well, I got it out.
You did.
I did.
You certainly did.
Certainly did.
These ones I think are so freaking easy to depin. This is great. She wants help. We'll help her out.
First off, I didn't say I wanted help. I said he was getting impatient behind the camera, trying to tell me how to do things over here. So I said, you know what? Why don't you put the camera down and help out?
There was a couple more curses the way she said it, but so Tanya was very upset with me that I didn't buy the chrome controls yet. They're coming, guys. Don't worry. I just didn't order them yet.
Oopsie daisy. I win.
Think she would have handled the throttle cable side?
Yes.
Well, I got anti-seize on my my jacket.
What else is new? That's not surprising whatsoever. And he freaked out. Get it off!
Do you know that she tried to put something on her seat? No.
No. I didn't try. I mistakenly almost put something on my seat.
It would have been the end of it.
Are you already sticking stuff down those pipes?
Don't stick any cookies down the pipes. Holy red. What are they using there? What is that? What is that?
Locktite, I'm sure.
No, but why is it up here? I think they used like an enormous amount of red Loctite.
I think bikes look so fun without their handlebars. Alright, so I think what Eric was saying was that we're gonna have to lift up the bike and
To get to the riser bolts.
underneath here.
Because we have to spin the front.
So we have to spin the front.
Yes, what she said.
See that right there, guys? You see it? You know what that is? That's our Let's Roll lift, which is coming in handy right now.
I'm out of breath. The lift is all set up to get the riser bolts. Way too much Locktite. Garbage.
Okay.
Good and tights. You're going the wrong way.
Riser bushings out.
Riser bolts out. Very important, your documentation.
Yes.
There's your clip. Look at, I made, and it's perfect.
Like a little diagram.
You can take pictures too if you want, but it's not really necessary.
Pictures work, yep. Pictures work.
Just show them how easy. These are the easiest ones ever to depin. Look at that. I literally just pushed it in and pulled it out.
I pick things up and put them down.
Excuse me? I lift things up and put them down.
Rusty in there. It's like snow and rust. This bike might have stayed outside for a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit here. You pull, I'll push, you pull.
Perfect. Good teamwork there. So there's a million ways to pull the wiring through the handlebars. We choose the little chain technique.
This is our little technique we got going here.
So yeah, I put a little tiny, like almost like one of those necklace chains in here, and that has enough weight to drop down. And I'm gonna use a couple little zip ties. Go around it like that. Really tight. And then I'm gonna electrical tape it too, so when I go to pull,
It's not gonna
hopefully.
catch on
I mean, you never know. You never know.
You never know.
Here comes more.
Get ready. Here comes a pack of geese.
Here's what we were talking about with the chain. I'm gonna take the chain.
Basically, we're just shoving it in the hole.
That's what she said.
Gravity's gonna do the rest now. Look at it.
And
We're gonna see how great Carlini's inside of the bars are.
they're great because I feel the chain already.
All right, but we do have an aggressive, have a very aggressive bend to go around, so.
Got it.
Wow. Guys, that is a true testament to Carlini's bars because a cheap bar, you wouldn't have a really, really hard time getting by a bend like that.
Yeah. Because my bars on the night train.
Oh my lord.
Oof. Because they were just, what, eBay bars?
eBay bars, but.
Inside the welds were so rough that, oof.
Also, the zip tie technique. It does help that we don't have throttle by wire and there's no radio controls to shove through here too, so the wiring is very, very minimal.
Yeah.
Sometimes we deserve a win too.
Doesn't happen often.
No. So yeah, we definitely had an easy head start because our wiring was already extended for the high bars, so we didn't have to cut, solder, do the extension kit. We don't have to do extended clutch cable. We don't have to do any of that. We're going to change that, the clutch cable and throttle cables and stuff eventually, but we don't have to do it right now. Holy crap. I have literally never done bars so easy before in my life.
Dun, dun, dun.
Carlini, you amaze us.
We're just gonna say that now every time someone's products amaze us.
And they're not cheap garbage.
Right.
A true testament of you get what you pay for.
It's true.
So just follow the reverse order of your little list or pictures, whatever you made, and put them right back together. Simple. Once you get them back in there, you're gonna put your piece back in to hold them in place, the little gasket, and plug them back into your bike. You're done. Taking a little food break here. Handlebar jobs can be draining, but next we're going to put in our good and tight risers.
Good and tight. I love it every single time.
Riser bushings. I'm sorry. We're going to put those in, and then we have to install the riser clamp, also by Carlini. Also by Carlini, because it's big enough to accept these 1.5 inch bars, because if you remember, the bars are 1.5 inch all the way through on these, which is nice.
You know what I'm imagining right now?
That's the laziest mallet hit I've ever seen in my life.
See, I don't need to do it hard because it's going in.
Yeah, I think you're all the way in.
See? Just like that.
Gotta put a little ass into it.
A little ass.
Yeah. There you go. We are torqued. Put that on there. Riser bolts.
We're losing daylight.
I'm trying. Not bad for handlebars and going to pick up kids. And poor Tanya has been injured multiple times during this job.
Probably won't be my last
No,
either.
the sun is setting. We're
for-
running out of time.
For a change, you're not getting hurt.
I know.
You get hurt like every single time.
I did hit my head before on this
Oh, this is true.
stud.
Yeah. But you're also more accident prone than
Yeah, much more.
and like 50 feet taller.
Yeah, these look freaking amazing.
What do you guys think? Yay! Exactly what I wanted.
Exactly.
Exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wished. I love the little Carlini.
Yeah,
badge
that
on the
emblem.
side.
Yeah.
We're not putting this bike back together, guys, because we have way too much we're doing with the front end. So we're just going to leave it off, and it keeps the
mystery, right?
The mystery going for what it's actually going to really look like. I wish you guys could see, like this time of day, this color. This teal right now is insane.
Yeah,
I know
to
how
them it's blue. It's blue.
Blue, I know. It's so unfortunate because it's such a pretty teal right now. I love it. We took your guys' suggestion on the dual disc. We're gonna do a dual disc.
We'll stick with it.
We'll stick with it.
I said that since the beginning anyway.
We got a comment that we ask you guys questions and then don't take your suggestions. I think we are. I think everything we've done, half of you have wanted to do to this
We
bike.
can't make everybody happy, damn it.
Exactly. So the question today, though, is do we go with black calipers, chrome calipers, or blonde calipers?
We have black caliper, one black caliper on there right
Yeah.
now, and one blonde. I had a sticky caliper. I had to swap one out, but
So let us know what you think down below, and as always,
thanks for watching, guys.
stay tuned for the next one.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.